So hello friends, have you heard the latest news right now from the DHS and the USCIS with regards to the new rule or the new public charge rule that they are implementing? So yes, if you haven't heard that, I'm going to share a little information about it. Don't skip this video. Subscribe now if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Please don't forget to share this video and hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Hello friends. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, no matter what time you see this video and wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jade. I am from the Philippines, but I live now in Florida. I share my personal experience here in my channel. If you visit my playlist, you'll see an album title there, K1 Fiancé Visa, Green Card Processes, or the Adjustment of Status and Removal of Conditions. So these are all based on my personal experience. Now anyway, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency, nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience, my knowledge, and my research, again, as a DIY filer of K1 Fiancé Visa to my green card processes. So these are all based on my personal experience, my research, and my knowledge. I highly encourage you guys to always visit the official website of the US Visa. That's uscis.gov, and the other one is travel.state.gov. So those are the official website of the US Visa, where you can always rely for information, news, and updates about the visa processes, the green card. I know most of you right now have heard about the new public rule or public charge rule that the Trump administration has implemented, or soon to be implemented and effective this 2026. Now, for those that doesn't know, public charge rule is a process used by USCIS to determine if an applicant for a visa or a green card will likely become dependent on the public benefit. So that is what a public charge rule means. Now, with this new rule, well, actually, this is not a new rule. The Trump administration rescinded the 2022 public charge rule. This is during the Biden era regulations. But the Trump administration's made updates and give an immigration officer more power or more discretion to deny an individual for a visa or a green card if they determine whether you are likely to become dependent on the public benefits. Now, what the immigration officer will do is that they will be looking at your age, your health, your family situations or your family size, your financial situation, your education, your skills, or your job history or your employment history. So these are just some factors that an immigration officer will look at from your application of the visa or the green card. Whether you become a public charge or whether you will be self-reliant and not depend on taxpayer-funded government benefits. Now, for those that are receiving public benefits, it does not automatically means that your visa application or your green card will be denied. Now, the government will examine, or the immigration officer will examine how much public benefits were received, how long and why it was needed, and whether you're likely to continue to need these benefits. But if you're found to be a public charge, this means that you are ineligible for a visa or a green card. So this might be a reason for your denial for your visa application or your green card. Now, this final rule will take effect on September 18 of 2026, and the USCIS will publish a revised Form I-485 application to register for permanent resident or adjust status. So on or after September 18, 2026, make sure that you are filling out the latest and updated edition date of Form I-485 adjustment of status. You can see the edition date of the form in the bottom left corner of each and every form. You will see it there. Because if you file on or after September 18, 2026, the old edition date of the form, the old version, they will reject your form. They will not accept it. So make sure that you are filling out the correct, the most updated edition date of the form. But as of the moment, still as is, the January 2025 edition date of the form is available and they still accept it. So always check the edition date of the form that you are filling out to submit to USCIS. So yes, if you haven't applied for your adjustment of status right now, you may probably need to think twice because the rules are changing every now and then. So you probably need to submit it now, or if you're fine, if you think you're okay, you can submit it later on. But then again, of course, according to their website, submit your adjustment of status as soon as possible, especially when you're ready and you got married within the 90 days. Just make sure that you sign the form properly, you fill out the form properly, and the edition date of the form is correct. So submit now your adjustment of status form I-485. I have a video on how to fill out the form and how to correctly arrange your form so that USCIS will not reject your application, your petition or request. Please visit the official website of the USCIS. That's again uscis.gov, and the other one is travel.state.gov for more information about this new rule, this new public charge rule of the Trump administration. This is the final rule. It will take effect on September 18, 2026. It has not this is not effective yet, but yes, this is according to their website. This is the final rule that will take effect very soon. So please visit their website for more information. And if you need to talk to an immigration lawyer, or if you need help, contact an immigration lawyer right now for more information about this to help with your situation. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, and I hope for the best for you guys. A smooth visa process and green card process. Please don't forget to like this video if you think this is helpful. Help me share this video to our friends out there who are processing their visa, their green card, so that they know about the public rule or public charge rule that they need to consider when they apply for the green card and the visa as well. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.